Hello students, today's topic is regulation of kidney function. As we know, kidney perform two major functions, that is osmoregulation and balance of salts in the body. Osmoregulation is to regulate the amount of water in the body. Kidneys, they excrete dilute urine, and in that too in large quantities if there is abundance of water in the body tissue. If there is excess of water present in the body, then kidneys will produce large amounts of dilute urine. But if there is shortage of water, then kidneys will produce small amounts of concentrated urine. Let us see how this happens now. If there is excess of water in the body, then more ultrafiltrate will be there in the glomerular filtrate. जब नेफ्रॉन्स फिल्टर करेंगे ब्लड को, तो देर विल बी मोर अल्ट्राफिल्टरेट बाय ग्लोमेरुलर filtration. More ultrafiltrate, more amount of filtered fluid inside the Bowman's capsule, it signals the posterior lobe of pituitary. It gives a signal to posterior lobe of pituitary gland, and then pituitary gland, it stops the release of hormone ADH, antidiuretic hormone, which is also known as vasopressin. This leads to the deficiency of ADH, and deficiency of ADH further results in more permeability of walls of distal convoluted tubule and collecting duct. यानी डिस्टल कॉन्वोल्यूटेड ट्यूब्यूल और कलेक्टिंग डक्ट की वाटर को रीएब्जॉर्ब करने की एबिलिटी जो है वो डिक्रीज हो जाती है. दिस डिक्रीजेज द रीएब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ वाटर. नाउ लेट अस सी एक्सेस ऑफ वाटर in the body. It leads to more ultrafiltrate from glomerulus into the nephron, and this more ultrafiltrate, it signals the posterior lobe of pituitary to stop the release of hormone ADH or vasopressin, and deficiency of ADH lowers the permeability of cells of distal convoluted tubule and collecting duct, which further decreases the reabsorption of water. Now, more ultrafiltration and less reabsorption. More ultrafiltration and less reabsorption, it leads to the formation of abundant amount of hypotonic, that is dilute urine, and this also brings down the volume of body fluids to normal. Now let us see the other case, second case, when there is shortage of water in the body. Shortage of water, when there will be shortage of water, it may lead to decrease in blood pressure, and this also, इसका सारा opposite होता जाएगा. This will lead to the less amount of ultrafiltrate, and this will also give a signal to the posterior lobe of pituitary gland, and posterior lobe of pituitary gland, then it will increase the secretion of the hormone ADH or vasopressin, and it will make the cells of DCT, distal convoluted tubule, and collecting duct that will become impermeable to water, and there will be more, or there will be increase in absorption of water. Now we can see less ultrafiltration and more reabsorption. Less ultrafiltration and more reabsorption, it leads to the formation of lesser amount of hypertonic urine, and this is how the volume of body fluid is brought to normal. This is how osmoregulation is done in kidneys.